Alright YouTube, Murtacus back here. Gonna do a video on how to replace the rear brake pads on, I believe, a 2019 Camry. Let's get straight into it. So I loosened the lug nuts. They're 21. I just gotta lift it up and take the wheel off. So I got the wheel off. You're gonna take this bolt, you're gonna loosen it, and there's a bottom one as well, and that will release the caliper from the rear brake pad, or from the rotor. Okay, so it is a 14. Just gonna put it on the back. Make sure you put it on loose. And just break it. So now it is loose. Same with the bottom one. It's kind of hard with one hand. But these are not on very tight. So boom, that's one. They're tiny, tiny little bolts. And then the other one is a little, I don't know why. Why this one's being such a bitch. So as you can see, I got it loosened up, and we're just gonna compress this, take these pads out. These look pretty worn down, and just replace. All right guys, so I got this part at Harbor Freight. It's like 10 bucks, but this will push back the caliper piston. It makes it a lot easier to do brake jobs. There's different ways you can use C-clamps with the brake pad on, but I just like this one. It's just easy, put it on and tighten down, and yeah. All right guys, just a little tip. If this is spinning, if the whole thing is spinning freely, you want to get a 14mm wrench, and you're just going to hold it down right there, and you're going to get a 14 socket, and you're going to hold the wrench still, and then you're going to loosen, and that will prevent it from spinning freely. So let's do this side. Okay guys, so removing the hardware is actually pretty simple. It just slides out, easy peasy. Just keep track. They have little grommets at the end on both sides. These pads, actually kind of decent, to be honest. This one was getting thin for sure. You'll definitely notice some vibration, especially when this gets like really thin. You're gonna feel vibration. So that's what the customer was stating. And then these tabs, they'll just pull out. I got a flathead somewhere right here, and you'll just pry them out. They might be a little hard to remove just because they've been in here for so long, like ever since the last time they were replaced. That one went really far. Let me go grab that one, but that's how you remove it, and then I'll show you how to put it on. So this is the bracket that holds the caliper in. They kind of just slide in. These tabs are gonna be facing up on the bottom, and this is just gonna hold the brake pads in. Sometimes they're a little hard to push in. But when the pads go in, it will be seated. So I just place them front, bottom one like that. Same thing with the top. It's kind of hard to do it one-handed, but you get the idea. Let me use two hands. All right guys, So I got the hardware in, the tabs are up, same on both sides. Now we apply some brake grease just so the parts don't squeak. You don't have to, but it definitely helps with the squeaking sound of brakes. So I just like to apply it on, just gentle, on all the little pieces down here, because these parts are going to be moving quite a bit throughout its life. Do the same thing right here. You don't have to go overkill on it, just so it's touching on the pieces. Do the inside as well. And that is pretty much it. Just put some right there on the pads. You don't have to go too crazy, just for the noise. So yeah, now we're gonna put the caliper back on and then tighten the bolts down, and then you pretty much have done the brake pads on a Camry.